Hello everyone, hope you all are well.
Welcome to our YouTube channel Cherry Blossom.
Today we have come to Kenosha
Yeah, it's a beautiful
for a picnic.
beach. Yeah,
It's me and my wife. We wanted to just
weather
know.
is very good. It's warm and actually it's hot today.
we have got
It's very
food and
sunny.
everything.
Yeah, so we have got our tent because it's very hot today, sunny, and I think we will have fun in the beach.
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Okay, let's show you the Kenosha beach. It's really beautiful.
What else we're looking?
Take the chairs.
Cheers, is everything.
Huh?
That's the wood in there.
Take them.
Huh?
ले लीजिए ना बैठने के लिए इसके अंदर घुस से फिर बैठेगा वो ले लीजिए ना
एक तो चाहिए।
नहीं दोनों
नहीं एक लूँगा।
So guys, Masi went to the security cops just to tell them that we are not parking here because it's not authorized parking area. So उसने cop को बताया कि हमने just car यहाँ पे रखा है so that I can go and drop my wife at the beach. जहाँ हम लोग उस दिन लगाए थे कैसा कहाँ थे कहाँ बजा भी पीछे है जहाँ मतलब दूर तक कंजस्टेड ना हो बहुत क्लोज हो जा रहा है लोग से थोड़ा आगे इतना पीछे क्यों लगा रहे हैं थोड़ा बीच के नजदीक चलेगा ना लगाए तो कोई आगे करके Friends, we are searching for a nice spot where we can put our tent. हम लोग एक नाइस एंड कोजी स्पॉट ढूंढ रहे हैं जहाँ हम अपना टेंट सेटअप कर सकें हो दर्द हो गया This is okay. So guys, this is the beach mat. So we are putting it as a base because sand बहुत ज़्यादा है तो टेंट के we are just putting a base for the tent. Oh, inside. I don't think this is. ये थोड़ा सा back आएगा और ये वाला थोड़ा back आएगा. So guys, as you can see, it's very hot and very sunny. So this tent will help us to protect from UV rays of the sun. Yeah. So friends, the tent is ready. It took us around 15 to 20 minutes to set up the tent, and now it's time to relax and enjoy the beach. So it was almost an hour, 1 hour and 1.5 hour drive from our place to this beautiful beach. And then, as you know, it took us some time to set up the tent and all. So Masi is taking some rest now. And then we will go into the water. So Masi, are you enjoying? Are you having fun?
Yes.
Is it a relaxing day? So friends, we have carried just bare minimum essentials with us, like beach towels and sunscreen, after sun lotion, and some food and drinks, and that's it, and some clothes for changing.
बेटी कैसा लग रहा है? अरे उधर बोट वोट सब भी है थोड़ा नहीं? People are lots of boats.
And you see the beach is all looking like a picnic area, no?
Yeah, it's like a picnic this one.
And because of like a long weekend, I think
Yeah.
people can come. It's Labor Day weekend, summer.
Yeah.
This is the last. So Masi, are you having fun?
Yep. प्रीति, तुमने टेंट खरीदा, कैसा लगा?
Yeah, it was good. इससे बहुत comfortable रहा.
You can sleep.
Yeah, you can sleep, you can change dress, you can keep your food and important items inside.
Nice.
So मासी ने अपना खाना खा लिया है और मैंने भी खाना नहीं खाया, तो मुझे खाना भी खाना है, चेंज भी करना है. And still the beach is looking so beautiful. So almost क्या टाइम हो गया? We came almost around 3 or 2?
5.
I don't know. Time बहुत fast here, right? But it was a relaxing day. What do you think? What do you think, Masi?
Yes.
और अभी तो लॉन्ग वीकेंड शुरू हुआ है, फर्स्ट डे, संडे, मंडे. क्या प्लान्स हैं आपके? क्या प्लान्स हैं? अच्छा, हमारे फ्रेंड्स भी आ रहे हैं सिंसिनाटी से एंड 1-2 डिनर पार्टीज भी हैं. आई डोंट नो. The tent is quite big and sufficient for 2 people. So guys, we spent a wonderful day at Kenosha Beach and now it's time to wrap up. So guys, everyone is wrapping up and it's almost getting dark. Sand.
Beautiful.